Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl here, Anastasia, on the ones and twos, threes and fours. So today is going to be pretty interesting. We're going to be installing and giving my review to my two SHEIN wigs that I bought recently. Now my birthday is in about like a week and something. Yeah, week in like 2 days or something like that. But I want to install my hair the weekend before my birthday because I have places to go, people to meet, and stuff like that. So I'm celebrating the whole month of June as my birthday month. So I was saying to myself, I don't have new hair for the weekend. This is my everyday hair, as I told you guys. Which I really am enjoying this bob curly unit. I wish it was longer. But for what it's worth, I've been working and I've been tying it up. I've been doing different looks with it and I love it for what it is. Is it better quality than the other hair that I purchased? No. It's a little bit more on the cheaper side because as you can see, it's like really, you know, the curls are kind of undone, but it still looks nice. It's not too bad. So for an everyday wig, perfect. The thing about this one, they said that it is 100% human hair. It doesn't feel like, it feels like it's mixed with something. See, like this curl kind of tells me, because I combed it out and it's kind of looking like that, which to me, yeah, this piece feels very plasticky or whatever. But we're gonna install it. These are the things we're gonna need. Ebony spray, because it's going to be like a glueless situation. You're gonna need a wax stick, which I did get a wax stick, a hot comb, which I do have, and brushes, basically. So that's all we're gonna be needing. Obviously, you're gonna have your wig cap. I have my wig cap right here. I actually have on one under this. Yeah, so without further ado, let's get into it, and I'll give you guys because I already reviewed this one basically, but I'll give you my thoughts on this one as I work it in and install it. So without further ado, let's get into it. So first things first, we're gonna jump in with our foundation. This is my stick foundation and I'm just going all over the lace. Then I'm gonna take my foundation brush and just brush the lace because you want it to be tint to the color of your skin. So that's why I went in with my foundation color, and I'm not gonna put too much. I just want to spread that out evenly so that when I part the unit, you're gonna see the foundation so it looks like my scalp and it doesn't look white as snow. Yeah. So at this section, we're gonna take the ebony spray and we're gonna put like 3 to 4 coats down. I did say I wanted to be a glueless wig, but this one is not as harsh as like literally the glue. So we're gonna put on, like, as I said, like 3 to 4 layers, and we're gonna let that dry, and then we're going to start applying the wig. So at this point, I'm just using my fan to blow the ebony spray just to make it get tacky, and then I'm going to start applying the wig on top of it. And you can realize that the wig is a little bit small for my head, but we still make it work regardless of the fact, because I'm a professional and I know what the hell I'm doing, or whatever. Maybe not, but the look turned out pretty decent for my liking. The quality of the hair is a different story, but we'll get there. So I'm here watching BOK Media Live vlog, and it's been like 15 minutes since I laid this wig down. What the hell is this? Like, what's that? Okay, not gonna worry about that because that's where rubbing alcohol comes in. I will say that it melts pretty nicely into the forehead. And I'm a part of the Big Head Gang. And one thing I will say that this wig is just a little bit small for my head. Just a little bit, as you can see here. And it doesn't go all the way back. The only thing that makes this good is because it's snug to the head. So I think that counts for something. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna make baby hairs just to swoop on the two sides, just to cover up where the 5x5 ends, because obviously I don't want you to see all of this track, so whatever. So we're gonna attempt to do that, and then we're gonna continue the center part. It can go a little bit further back, which that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take it as far back as it can go, just like that, just like that. So this is what we're gonna be working with right about now. I like how it flips up like this. I really like that kind of volume that I'm getting, and it comes pre-curled. All I'm doing now is just running my hands through it so I can loosen up the curls and just wear it like this for now. But we need to fix here all of this that's going on right here and the part. Okay, so that's what we're going to be doing. Now I'm no professional when it comes on to the baby hairs. I'm just taking the wax stick now, even out the part, and I'm going to use the hot comb and kind of flatten it out. This is the best part of the wig. Honestly speaking, it's the lace, and the lace is not the best quality. I've had better lace, but this is the best part of the wig because it's the only part that is human, and it pisses me off so much, but it is what it is. Hi guys, so we are back with the final install. Now, is it giving? I think it is giving what the doctor prescribed. The only thing that I think that I will change is like, it doesn't look bad, but I think in the camera now, the light shining on me kind of looks a little bit white right here, but it doesn't look bad. I can see that it's lace, obviously. So what I probably would have done differently is cut, because I really didn't cut the lace, to be honest. I should have cut off just a little tip of the lace in the front so that I wouldn't have this lace problem here. But apart from that though, remember I'm doing this for this weekend, but also I am going to do like a side part for my birthday because I'm not usually a center part to girly, but I'm trying something new and looks cute or whatever. Let me know in the comment section if you guys love, like, and live for the wig. Now remember, this is supposed to be a 36-inch unit. And it basically, like here for me, giving very much 28 inches, not like what they said it was gonna be. But for the price that I paid for it, I think it's like 80 something Canadian, which is even cheaper in the US. It's worth it, you know? And I'm gonna buy some more hair. I'm gonna do that at the end of this month. I'm gonna buy another unit, probably 2 or whatever. But I'm gonna get some more because I miss having long hair. I miss having long hair. I've been doing short hair, pixies, all of that for a very long time. So I really actually just miss having long hair. And I used to have long hair like this back in the golden days, like a couple years ago, probably 6-7 years ago. If it wasn't long, I didn't want it. It has to be 18 inch or more for me to be happy. But I just got into this, you know, natural hair kind of journey, natural wigs, all of that jazz. But this one is eating the girls up. I love it so much. What I think I'm gonna do, I'm gonna probably put a little bit more of a darker foundation right here or whatever. But for now, I think it's eating. I think it's really good. As I said, I didn't put any heat on the hair itself. It's still curled, and I like it that way. I just feel that it's mixed with something and it's not 100% human hair. And the fact that the blonde highlights, because it did come pre-bleached, it could be the fact that it's like over-processed and that's why it looks like it's fried. I have to go and buy products for the hair as well too, to keep it maintained, keep it oiled on. But I really like this, like, you know, effortless curl type of moment where you don't have to do too much. Anytime I'm wearing any type of hair, whether it's realistic, synthetic, I want it to be less maintenance. I don't need the wells, the bristles, the what that saying is. I'm stumbling on my words, but I don't need all of that. I just need to put it on and go. Put it on and go. Put it on and go. That's what I need. That's what I need. And for what it's worth, I really like it. I really like it. I'm not a hairstylist like that, but I do my own hair 19.99% of the time because I just know how I like my hair to be done. And I'm just not gonna pay those crazy prices. To install this wig was $150, and I just did it for free, $99. Yes, I'm not good at the baby hairs. Yes, I'm not good at melting the lace to the T, but for what it's worth, I think it looks pretty good. I'll make some little tweaks, as I said. I probably might go in and cut the lace down just a tad bit so it doesn't show that much, but it looks realistic, or it looks very natural on camera. But when you come up closer, you can actually kind of see it just a tad bit. Maybe I need to leave it to melt longer. I don't know, but when I come off of this video, I'm going to basically put it put back on the band so I don't mess up what I've already done. And yeah, I think it's worth the money. It's definitely worth the money. And you guys are gonna see how much I paid for it and all that good stuff in the video. You've probably already seen it already. Thanks to my editing team. Lash Beats on the ones and twos. So, that said, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell to be notified. And until next time, remember, I beat and I beat for the gods. Bye. Hey guys, so there you have it, the install. I definitely think that I will spray a little bit more of this, like here. And then I'm going to bend it down and then come back to you guys for the finished look, okay? With further deliberation, I had to come to you guys just to show you guys the level of disappointment that I have with this here. Now, in order to do that, I'm gonna have to I don't think I have to take it off, but this is the closure. The closure, I think it's human hair without the shadow of a doubt. You see the length? This is all synthetic. If you ever had a synthetic wig before, you know a synthetic when you see a synthetic. And all of the length is synthetic. The only thing that is human is the closure. All of this, synthetic. Because I told you guys I combed out this hair, like the curls that it come with. And if it's a blend, because I went back and looked at the specs, it's a blend. But if it's a blend, it shouldn't be just synthetic hair at the bottom. It should be blend, like, you know, mix in with human hair to like give it body and look at that. I don't recommend you guys getting this hair anymore because it's like false advertisement. If the closure is gonna be human, then let the closure be human and then the rest synthetic. I'm fine with that. But don't call it a blend when you can't put heat on this part of the wig. Like, what's the sense? Like, what's the sense? So my birthday is technically, I don't even know what I'm gonna do for that. But I'm gonna rock it anyways because I have no other choice at this point. But don't buy this hair. Not recommending you guys buy it at all. The color is cute, the lace is lacing, but this part of the hair, trashy, rubbish. Don't recommend. But it's still cute. If you're into synthetic hair like that, then you will have no problem with this hair. This hair is like if I have to go out somewhere for a one night stand or something like that, do it. But for longevity and all that other stuff, don't even waste your time, okay?